we got the Dolish cookie dough bites, birthday cake,
and chocolate chip. Let's get right into it.
Look at that. What we trying? Chocolate first?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. I'm gonna get that the chocolate chip a 7 out of 10 for me. What you rated?
I rated I'm gonna just give it a same thing as you. We moved into the birthday cake one. Now,
No, this smells good.
I have a feeling it's
Birthday cake elite, y'all. I feel like it's gonna be a 10 out of 10 for me. You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Exactly. 10 out of 10.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
It really just tastes like balls of cake. Little mini pieces of cake. 10.
Well, y'all go try these too. We got them from 5 and below.